To create GIFs on the Samsung Galaxy S26, you will have to open the gallery for the first. And right now you have to just select these pictures that you want to create a GIF. For example, I will use those 3 pictures. When they are selected, you have to click create in the left bottom corner and select GIF. And there we go. We can simply take a look how it looks. And when you're gonna click and hold a photo, we can change its position. You can also duplicate photos by clicking here. When you click a plus, you can add another photos from your gallery if you forget about something. And you can cut those photos by clicking here. You can make it shorter. There we go. Now by clicking here, you can change the aspect ratio. By clicking here, you can change its speed. And we can add some things like we can draw, add stickers, text, a lot of things we can actually add here. And right now, if you just set up everything, you have to click done. Now we can play it and check how it looks. There we go. You have to click save, and it was saved. Right now, it should be available here with a GIF marking in the left bottom corner of the preview. So that's how you can actually do this. I hope you find it useful.